Hello, children. Welcome to your English lesson. Today is your week 12, and we still have the same story, which is Anansi Goes Fishing, retold by Eric A. Kimmel, illustrated by Janet Stevens. Our genre is a folk tale. It is a story that has been handed down over many years. And our question of the week: how can creative thinking solve a problem? Now is your spelling. What you need? Your reader's and writer's notebook, your pencil, and your copy note. Today you're going to learn the abbreviations. What is an abbreviation? Why do we use abbreviations? Why is it important to know common abbreviations and be able to use them correctly? What are abbreviations? Abbreviations are hiding inside the word. Most abbreviations begin with a capital letter and end with a period. Look at the example. The word is Mr. Mr. The abbreviation is Mr. capital M, small r with a period. Next, it is avenue. Avenue. The abbreviation is capital A, small v, and E with a period. That is the abbreviation of the word avenue. Next, abbreviation for Mr. It's used for a man. Example, Mr. Dancer. Abbreviation for Mrs. It is used for a married woman. Example, Mrs. Obama. So we use Mrs. How do we write it? Capital letter M, small letter R, small letter S with a period. Let's make example. Abbreviation for doctor. Used for a doctor or anyone who has a doctorate degree. Example, Dr. King. So the abbreviation of doctor is capital letter D, small letter R with a period. As you can see, those letters, we can find it in the word. Doctor begins with letter D and it ends with letter R. So we write capital letter D and small letter R with a period. Let's have abbreviation for senior. Used for person born first. Person born first. Example, George Bush Sr. We write capital S, small letter R with a period. So the abbreviation for senior is capital S, small letter R, and a period. Next, abbreviation for junior. It is used for person born second. Person born second. Example, George Bush Jr. So the word junior, we can abbreviate this as capital letter J, small letter R with a period. Junior. Take a look at this. Captain. Abbreviation for captain Used for person in charge of a ship or plane. Example, Captain Chelsea Sullenberger. Example, Captain Chelsea Sullenberger. Look at the word captain and how it is abbreviated. It is written as capital letter C, small letter A, P, T, and a period. It's captain. Let's try it. Abbreviation also used in the days of the week, like Sunday, capital S U N period. Monday, capital M O N period. Tuesday, you can abbreviate this, capital T U E S period. Wednesday, you can write Wednesday, capital W, then E D period. Thursday, you can write it capital T H U R S period. Friday, capital F R and then I period. Saturday, capital S A T period. We can abbreviate months of the year too. Like January, you can write it as Jan. Capital J, then small letter A, and period. February, capital F, small E, B, period. March, capital M, A, R, period. April, we can write it capital A, then P, R, period. May, June, July, they don't have abbreviation. August, we can write it A, U, G, period. September, capital S, E, P, T, period. October, capital O, C, T, period. November, capital N, O, V, period. Then December, capital D, E, C, period. Always remember that if you are writing the abbreviation of a word, you have to begin in a capital letter and ends, of course, with a period. Let us try to answer this practice in your book. Open it on page 493. Read the abbreviation and then you're going to draw a line to the word it stands for. And then after that, you are going to write each abbreviation correctly. Remember, in writing abbreviation, we need to begin with a capital letter and we need to end it with a period. Let me see if you can do it. Here's the answer. In number 1, AVE stands for Avenue, and DR stands for Doctor, MR for Mr., MON for Monday, NOV is for November, ST is for street. Now, write each abbreviation correctly. So you're going to write April in starts with a capital letter A and ends with period. In number 8, Mrs. begin with a capital letter and put a period at the end. Number 9, in March, write in a capital letter and ends with a period. Friday starts with a capital letter F and ends with a period. Now, let's try another. What about this one? Let's read the journal entry, circle the three abbreviations that are misspelled, and write the words correctly. This 11, 2008. This weekend was a lot of fun. First, I went to Donnie's house. He lives on Lincoln Street. His dad, Mr. French, drove us to the museum. We both thought it was really neat. Later, his mom, Mr. French, picked us up. Take a look at the words that are misspelled. Then circle the abbreviation that is spelled correctly. Here's the answer. December should be written as capital DEC, period. And then STR, it should be capital S and T that stands for street. And the MSR, it should be Mrs. Capital MRS, Mrs. The correct abbreviation for number 4 is doctor. Capital D, small r, period. And number 5, January, capital J, small a, and period. Number 6, for road, it's capital R, small letter D, and a period. Number 7 is August, capital A, U, G, period. Number 8 is Mr., capital M, small r, period. And number 9, November, capital N, O, V, and a period. And number 10, Miss. It should be written as capital M, small s, and a period. Let's try this. You're going to draw a line to match the word with its abbreviation. Number 1, Mr. Number 2, avenue. Number 3, street. Number 4, doctor. And you're going to write the abbreviation for the underlined word. Number 5, it's January. Number 6, Monday. Number 7, December. And number 8, Wednesday. And then you're going to read the story and you will find out as many abbreviation that you will see on this short story. Underline those abbreviations. These are the answers. Number 1, Mr. MR, period. Number 2, avenue, AVE, period. Number 3, street, ST, period. Number 4, doctor is DR. It's a period. Next, the abbreviation for January, it's JAN, period. Monday, MON, period. December, it's DEC, period. And Wednesday, WED, period. Children, always remember when you are writing an abbreviation, you should begin in a capital letter and always end with a period. In this story, I will leave this as your homework. I want you to underline as many abbreviations as you can see in this story. Let me see if you really understand the lesson, okay? Let's move. Let's try this. Abbreviations. The abbreviations in the box are MR stands for Mr. MRS for Mrs. ST for street. JAN for January. FEB for February. AUG for August. DR for doctor. MS for Miss, RD for Road, OCT for October, NOV for November, and DEC for December. Read the clues and write the list word. Number 1, title for a man. Number 2, month after July. Number 3, the first month. Number 4, something you drive on. Number 5, title for a woman. And number 6, month before March. Write the abbreviation for the underlined word in each sentence. Number 7, December is my favorite month. Number 8, Justin lives on Rosebud Road. Number 9, we're going to a baseball game in October. Number 10, Mr. White walks his dog every day. Number 11, Thanksgiving is in November. And number 12, Dr. Lopez works in a hospital. The answers. The title for a month, Mr. Month after July, it's August, AUG period. Number 3, the first month, Jan or January. Number 4, something you've drive on, RD or ST. RD for road, ST for street. Title for a woman, MRS, Mrs. or MS for Miss. Number 6, month before March, it's February or Feb, FEB period. The abbreviation for December is DEC period, for road, RD period, for October, OCT period, Mr. is MR period, November, NOV period, Dr. DR period. Children, always remember that if you are writing abbreviations, you need to begin in a capital letter and ends with a period. I hope that you understand these lessons about abbreviations. Study hard, have a nice day, and good luck. See you to our next lesson. Goodbye.